The magic of winter and Christmas is truly timeless. In this class, we'll explore how to take beloved traditional themes and transform them into unique, personal illustrations. We'll embrace the beauty of the white winter by working with the white of the paper itself, letting it shine as a key element of our work.
Hey, I'm Olga Bonitas. I've designed this class to be simple enough for beginners while offering creative challenges for those of you who are already confident with watercolor.
4 delightful ideas are waiting for you, each filled with charm and inspiration. Plus, I'll share tips for adapting and customizing them so you can create illustrations that are truly yours. Join me on Skillshare and get ready to immerse yourself in a snowy creative adventure.
Welcome to the White Winter Wonderland.